Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, select the settings icon and then press the middle button to enter. Next, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the time and date option and press the middle button to enter. And here we have the time and date options. First, let's select time, press the middle button, select the time format and then press the middle button. And here we can adjust the time. We can change the hour, then we can press the middle button, change the minutes, then press the middle button, and once you're done, the time will be changed. Next, let's select the date, press the middle button, change the month, day, and the year. And then we can press the middle button to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.